Oh, well.
Because if it can spin it fast enough, we can just regular compression test it.
Well, let's see if it can even test that yet. Until I got to a point, and then it got tough. I think we have to do it the other way. It is spinning, and it is fully charged, right? It did spin it.
Should we put oil in it?
Probably.
Because I had to buy more oil anyway. Okay, let me go wrap the oil. It's not technically the type that's supposed to be put in it, but it's close enough. And it's not like we're filling the hole in. Right here. Oh, I'm falling. Almost knocked that out. Metal truck. I don't have to hold it.
No.
That sounds like a bad idea. We at least got some lubrication in the engine.
That one missed completely.
Well, I can't see from here, so.
It looked like it to me.
I know, it's only a small little bit there.
Put in cylinder number 1. That's the one we want to get in shit out of and see if we can
Well,
spin
let's see the cylinder 1 or 6. We don't actually know. Because it counts from the orientation of when the engine's in the car.
Well, that's the front of the car. That's always going to be the front, wherever your pulley is in your electronics.
Is there any question mark? There's just doesn't never feel like until you get it.
Ready?
Yep.
Come on, baby, turn it.
50. And wait.
Did you just get that? You got hot tooth.
Isn't that yummy?
That's probably all it's going to do until that. I might have to turn it over by hand, but
Why do you have to turn it over by hand? You can't do it fast enough by hand.
I'm talking about it gets to a point where it doesn't.
Yes, it gets stuck for some reason. Let me grab the.
That should be it.
Just at 50.
Yo, but that's remember that the thing always said is off. So
Let me.
before we wasn't getting jack.
There and we mark down. So we'll just count that as cylinder 1. For all intents and purposes, cylinder 1 is what it does. 50 psi.
Again, we don't know how accurate this is. We're assuming it was off before. It said about 40. So that's what people are saying, between 35 and 40. We never really tested how accurate it is. So we might have needed to put the oil in just before we did each cylinder instead of doing it all at one time. But it needs to be lubricated anyway, so we know this works. Now, if it was my old drill, it would have worked a lot better, because that was bigger, chunky boy.
Alright. Do it again while I.
Ready?
Yep.
And I'm going to smoke off my hand. Register anything?
Well, almost at 50.
All right, let me bar it over once by hand to get it to where I can spin it again. Because when it hits its most compression thing, it can't do it enough revolutions to do it. But at least this way here,
Get a little something.
we can get a.
It just pulls off.
All right, spin it again.
Oh, we got to 25, 70, 65.
I mean, I just spin over again and try to do it again.
So that other one probably could go higher.
I cleaned him. He changed his clothes, cleaned him up. He's making him pizza.
Yeah.
Got all his bandages off because it all looks good, except the one on the road rash or whatever it is on his shin. That one's still open, so I cleaned it and put stuff. But all the other ones is healed. But it's healed. I'm like, then we don't need to put bandages on it.
Could I just go get the 22? So then we don't have to keep switching between.
Halifax?
Walking on the E30 mill. Yeah. I mean, wouldn't it be better to put that one on?
No, because this one's longer, and I was already hitting my hand against that, and that sucked every time. Ready?
Yep.
What we get?
Same.
That's all we're gonna get. Because I don't want to break the drill in half, because the drill is actually flexing in my hand. Every time I hit the thing, it says, "You want to break off?"
So should we redo the false one then? We only did one cycle on that.
Ready?
Yep. We got 50.
Now I gotta rotate my hand. That's the hard part. Why didn't that come right? It didn't come out the last time. What is so 50?
Went up.
To what?
I guess that would probably be like 67. No move.
All right, so that's a true number.
So it's not 65. It's more like 67 because it's closer to the upper line. So 67. That's 2 psi difference between the cylinders right now.
Okay, that's nothing. Relatively speaking, that's healthy.
2 is margin of error of us with this fucking setup.
And you gotta remember, we added more oil, so the oil is starting to go out of the cylinder, so.
Cylinder 3.
Oh shit, I got all over.
Press release. Let's go again, this time on cylinder 3.
It's freewheeling. It's not building pressure, is it?
No.
Ready?
Yep.
That's not building pressure. Because it's not hitting. We put some oil inside of it and see if it's not the thing, that's not good. Something is not sealing. Or it might be the cylinder that has the...
This was the cylinder, I'm pretty sure, that had the thing regardless. Let me look at the picture, because I think I had a picture of
it came off.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Oh shit, you're right. Yeah, it's the thing. Fuck. And this is the same. This is the fucking same. No.
Let's see if I can get it. Bam.
So the thing's stuck in cylinder 3, which is so amazing.
Nope.
And have nothing nice.
Fuck. Can you give me the right one? Actually, no, this one's not gonna be. Let me see. Where's the thing at? Oh, that might be it. Smaller than this, isn't it? 5/8. Something bigger than. Give me 18 if you have one. Give me 17 and 18, so that way you have to keep going back and down now.
Long one? I don't have a 18, and my 17 is in the back of my car.
Well, give me the one above it. What's 17 supposed to be?
19.
You see, that might be too big. What's in it? What's above that in your toolkit? That's smaller? Give me a ratchet, 17 for the half-inch driver. So I'm gonna try to push down and turn at the same time. Hopefully it comes out. Can't see if it's making a dent in it. And we tried the 16, right? Because that is a 16. Isn't it slightly bigger than this one? Or slightly smaller? Alright, I got it out, but I gotta
Get it out. Cylinder 3 is not good.
We don't know that because this might have been not tight in the thing.
So I'm gonna go get something to wipe that down, and I'll get duct tape.
Because we don't know anything. This might have slipped off of it and it wasn't always.
Oh, ooh, nothing. I just have paper towels. I need to clean something up, and then also I need duct tape. So
What I was doing, pressing against this, and that fits just snug on top of this. So long as we don't go fucking crazy tightening it in, it should be able to come back out. Oh, we got it stuck inside of it once.
amazing.
We got it out. That was the most amazing part. This is the important part. Because that's just crazy.
You know what? This bitch is crap.
Make sure it goes towards the bottom of this. We want to get it locked into that section down there.
Let's hope this goes well. Back into cylinder 3. Keep playing with me, I'll throw some sugar on your ass.
Try it again. That's better. Still nothing? And take it back out and we'll go to the next one. I'll have to come back to that one later time.
Alright, so let's see if he did us like that again. Tried to push in while I was spinning to make sure it didn't do it again. Let's go into cylinder 4.
Okay, we might want to put a little bit of oil inside it again. Because it's been a minute. We'll just put it inside the one just before we do it. You stay over there. That should be enough. You need to put that much in there, baby. And that way it also greases up with the reds. So, paper towel?
I think it's gone. Oh. Actually, before I done that, I should have done it basically like that with the thread. Well, I see a bunch of oil down there, which is good.
Just hook it up to the thing, baby.
I like recording in vertical. YouTube recording vertical makes it a short. It automatically.
I have a thing that can chop it and put it back to the horizontal the way it's supposed to be.
I'm not recording in 4:3. Because I was recording in 4:3, I think you'd have enough aspect ratio for that.
I think does it for recording things.
I'm not talking about 4K, I'm talking about 4:3, the aspect ratio.
I have a thing that would do that too.
Alright, I'll go.
Ready?
Straight up to 50. Run it back.
Boom.
Just making you lean too far.
Ready?
Yep. 60.
Nice mother truck right there.
65.
So that one's in within the other ones.
Same as 2. 2 less than 1. 0 for that one.
And then we're gonna redo the one that's made with added oils again, so that see if it changes it. Because again, since it's a head, we don't know if it's tightened back down the way it's supposed to be and everything else. That might be the problem area the crack is. If it is, it might.
I had to check the photo to see which one didn't have its
It was that one that didn't have it in it. Second, not the third. But wasn't that the one that had the pressure tester in it and it was cracked off in it?
It was either this one or this one.
So ready? That means it's got pressure to it.
I'm at 50 now. That brought us to 55.
Come on. So 55? I done 55. That's a problem. And then I don't know. It might be the Vanos system because it's a little something. We got to put oil inside the other one. But just put 55 for now. We didn't put oil in that one, but it's been a minute. If the last one's low again, so we'll throw some oil inside of it and see if it's stopped. And I don't hear any bad stuff in the head.
Less than 25.
Locked up pretty hard for 25.
Slightly less than 50.
We may need to drop of oil inside of that. Because it might be that these two cylinders, since the oil, these are the first ones you put oil in, and it might have already,
55.
we need to put oil in it. Take it out and put oil inside of it. I think that's because these are the first ones we filled. Any oil that was in it is already out. So we're testing a different methodology than the rest. Okay, put it back in and we'll try it again.
Alright. That's 45 on forced spin. I don't know why it keeps locking.
Because the motor hits in too deep into compression, the drill doesn't have enough oomph to keep it going.
50. And we're doing 4 rotations. And from what I've seen, you're supposed to do around 8 for a proper compression test for this little. 55.
I think my drill is doing. Uh-oh. I'm already down at bar. I can't spin as fast. Best we can do.
Still only with the 55.
I'm not spinning it as fast. I can't. It's down a bar and I can feel it struggling even to make it move. So this has to have a full charge in order to do the thing. So we might have to come back tomorrow to test the other two series cylinders.
Well,
we can throw a little bit of oil inside of this one here.
Yeah. To see if we can get something on. I'm actually gonna just put the finger. Just make sure this has oil on it. So I noticed the threads are getting pretty dirty. And this one's getting a lot more oil than the others. Make sure that got in, but I think it's good.
Oh, it's already on top dead. It's not gonna fire from here. Gotta put the tool in here. Got something.
Nothing on the pressure gauge.
Well, it's not moving again.
Nothing.
Well, that's a problem. Hoping it's the head gasket, but if not, that's really a problem. Did you release the pressure already? You always want to release the pressure first. So some pressure inside of it. We just can't register what that is. All right, put your hand right here. No, it's not even one turning over now even. So this got to be at 100%.
Anything?
Or no.
100% all bust. Getting pressure.
I don't think we have enough. It's either leaking through. Put your hand right here. That's the intake. Ready?
Yes.
Come on, baby.
Okay, zero.
Okay.
So we're getting air from inlet and exhaust.
So if I had to guess, it's the head itself. That's where the warp is. Here, somewhere in here. Because if you're getting pressure coming in and you can feel it really good and everything else, because I felt it when it's coming out, so that's where your head is fucked up at. Pressure all along here, good here. It's warped here, but we're still feeling pressure and everything, so that means the air is escaping where it's not supposed to at. So I think your engine's good. So it's a matter of we
can continue with the build chart.
It's a matter of the head's got to come off and rebuild the head. You see how that started out straight. It ain't straight no more. Well, you got to remember, we're doing the impact. Usually the impact things are this wide. They should have had one that was...
I don't know if it'll fit though. Yeah, I can put it.
Got to be able to see it. I already know this is weaker. I can tell already on the fly. Ready? He's screaming now.
Yep, just cleanup time.
He's screaming now. So he's getting hot and screaming. And we probably already damaged this, but it's not made to do what we're doing.
You don't have to do anything you're supposed to do with these. Ooh.
No, I don't. That's why I like quality too. So if I break these motherfuckers like that, this one's not under warranty. This is the one I bought off a guy, and it works. But still, shit.
Warranty don't even walk in the fucking rigid no more. So.
Hey, it used to be really good, but now warranty shit. So.
I gotta get you Milwaukee now.
All right, I think I'm gonna call it a successful engine test because again, all your cylinders are within spec. Except for that one, and again, I think this
these
more the
two
drill.
both were at 55.
But that's when the drill was already starting to.
Yes. The drill was drained around to do this one, and we had to restart these two because we decided to do something different. So.
That was spinning faster because again, the spin speed also does how much PSI you spin the better. So next time come out here with 2 full batteries, so we can get. We don't need to do it again, but we were saying, but we got it point where it's
So
safe
now-
enough to keep going.
So now it's time to build a stand, and then it can go inside.
Yep, that'll be fun.
Oh, we can also. Should I get a flywheel so we can hook the starter before we bring it inside? Those are the questions.
Well, shoot.
Well, it'd probably be best to bring it inside even then, but we just have to wheel it back out. So I don't know how long a flywheel would take to get here.
But we got this one, so I can change what the fuck I wanted to do, and it's like you're not doing that no more. You don't need that functionality. It was not always better. So even if that's not exactly highly accurate, we know that it works. We know all the cylinders, save one, is in the same range.
At least do something. This should just be my iridium one, right?
Yes.
Oh no, that's right. We're forgetting.
What?
We are missing 2. We're using my iridium as 5th because the other one was the fucked up one that had the compression
thing in it. Yep, that's right. So we're not missing one, so that it died a horrible death because someone had the same problem we did, and he's trying to get it out, and he couldn't get it out.
This wasn't as smart as us.
Put this back in that baby. I don't think it want to come out.
Why didn't you take it off when it was in the drill?
It didn't want to come out then.
Well, it's not gonna come out where I am.
They hurt.
Oh, nicely now bent one.
No, he gave up his life for the cause, and so I'm still working.
That's okay. We'll be using that later on, and we'll probably snap it again.
And I've snapped so many damn tools, it's ridiculous. And they ain't like a snap-on where you break the motherfucker and they give you a new one. This shit broke. Here's the shit. Lifetime warranty forever.
Oh, so what was you doing that caused this? You don't need to know that. That's not part of the warranty.